Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. Our today's discussion topic is the features of the Java. So we will discuss about the features of the Java. So basically Java is a programming language which is used to communicate with the computers. As we will use our languages, various languages, Marathi, Hindi to communicate with the peoples. As like in programming, the Java is used to communicate with the computers by providing the manual instructions to the computer, and computer will give a desired output for us. So this is the definition of the Java programming. Java is developed by the Sun Microsystems by James Gosling in 1990s, and so it provides many features in the programming rather than the C language or C++ language. Java is a high level language. Why it is high level language? Because it is high level language because it will be easily understandable to the coders or programmers, and the coder will be code, and it will be understandable to the machines as like computer, and it will be give desired output. So it is high level language for that, for this reason. So this is the first feature. Java is high level programming language. Another feature of the Java is Java is highly secure language, because as like in the C language there are explicit pointers are provided in the C language, but rather in the Java the explicit or implicit explicit pointers are not provided. So due to these pointers not provided, the security will be achieved in the Java programming. So because of removal of the pointers in the Java, Java is highly secure language as compared to other languages. So this is the second feature of the Java. Uh, Also, another feature of the Java is that simple. The syntax of the Java is as comparable to other languages is more simple, which it will the syntax is simple. It will be easily typeable, understandable to the programmers, and programmer will code it easily. Also, another feature of Java is a portable language. So also another feature is that Java is Aura, means write once and run anywhere platform. Java is can be run on any platform. It not platform dependent language. It will be run on any platform like Windows or Linux or the Mac. So Java is a platform independent language. Also, when we write the code once, and it will be runnable to any platform, so it will be run easily. After the bytecode is generated, it will be understandable to any platform. So this is also the feature of the Java. So another feature is that Java is have garbage collection. Garbage collection is the important topic in the Java. When we not provided any reference to the any object or any method, so it will be automatically goes towards the garbage collection. Garbage collection means that when we want to execute only one block rather than the another two or three blocks, it will be execute only one block. So another two blocks are in goes towards the garbage collection, automatically goes to the garbage collection. Hence the occupied memory will be shorted automatically. So this goes to the garbage collection. Hence the Java have high performance. So another feature of the Java is that Java is have high performance as compared to other languages. So there's all the features provided in the Java. Also, another feature of the Java is that Java, due to multi-threading, in the multi-threads we will achieve, they are mostly multi-threading is used for web applications development. Suppose there are many threads written in the Java, so we want to execute one or two threads rather than the all threads. But when we execute only two threads, then other part will be goes towards automatically to the garbage collection. and when we execute all, because of that, the other the only two programs the memory is shared within all the threads, but in the execution time only two threads are executed. So due to multi-threading, its performance becomes high. And another feature of the Java is an object oriented programming language. Object oriented means objects have state and behavior, so it will be comparable to the states and behaviors with the data types. So it will be easily imaginable to by comparing with the objects. So this is another advantages, another feature. So these are all about the features of the Java. Thank you so much.